What's up, everybody? You know who it is. It's Unbox Everything, and today we will be unboxing this little guy. If you guys want to know what it is, well, here it is. It's the Amazfit GTS Smartwatch. I can't wait to unbox this thing, so let's just dive right in. Okay, so Amazfit Smartwatch. Why did I get it? And well, I got it because I wanted to. That's really it. But really, I wanted something that I could wear on my wrist that could show me the weather, also time, obviously, and also my step count. I really wanted something where you can just have access to that information really easy and really quickly. So rather than having to take out my phone every time I look at it, it's a lot easier to have something on your wrist itself and then just kind of have a little glance, and then, you know, it's kind of on you, it's there, you know, no fuss, nothing like that. And yeah, that's why I got it. So it's got an AMOLED display. It's water resistant up to 50 meters, built-in GPS, long battery life, multi-sport modes, and it's lightweight. So this watch is kind of limited in features. So for example, you can't receive phone calls. I mean, you can receive phone calls, but you can't actually answer them. You can only decline them, I think. You can receive messages. You can't reply to messages, which is still, you know, quite handy. Like I said, I just really wanted it for the functionality of having the weather and kind of the step count and the time and the date, obviously. So yeah, so I've opened the top flap. Let's see what we get inside the box. Oh, okay. So you get a black box on the outside, but then it goes into like this nice white box with the Amazfit. I always think it's called Amazfit, not Amazfit, but I think it's called Amazfit actually. So I'm opening the outer box now. Oh, there it is. That's just empty. So yeet, don't need that. And there we have it. There's the watch itself. It's just quite nicely, very nicely presented actually. It says "Move beautifully" on here. Wow, yeah, I'm very impressed. I mean, obviously this is a little sticker on the front, so that, I mean, I will remove that. And then it has this little tab just over here. So this reminds me a lot like Apple, unboxing an Apple product, right? It's very like sleek and, you know, very minimalistic and all that kind of good stuff. And, you know, people like that stuff. I do as well, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm just gonna open this flap and see what else we get inside the box before we move on to the watch itself. I'm just gonna carefully lift this up. So this part is empty now, so I'm actually gonna just put this away. There's a little icon here with a little electricity sign, and then another one here which is what looks like a piece of paper. I assume what that means, it means that what's inside the box is the charger and the instruction manual. So let's just, yep, it just kind of flaps open really nicely, and there we have it. It's kind of very neatly, you know, packaged in. Everything has its compartments, which is really cool. So that's the instruction manual. I mean, it looks quite thick, but I assume it's in many different languages, and I think this is the charger for it. I was kind of expecting to get like one of those wireless chargers, but apparently not. So let's just have a look at what kind of connection this is. And oh no, I was wrong. No, you do. It's just really small. So you do get one of those tiny little docks. If you guys can see that. So it's one of those little docks, right? So you plug it in. You charge it via USB, which is easy. And then you just plonk the watch onto the little dock station, and yeah, it just charges away. So that's really cool. That's that. Put that on the side. And then the rest of it's empty. It's just the watch itself. So let's just take the watch out very carefully. There we go. And that's it. So this is empty. I'm going to put this off on the side as well. And that's the watch. And first impressions, a lot lighter than I expected, which is not a bad thing. It's actually got a nice kind of all-rounded weight to it. The band, it's rubber, but it's not like, how do I describe it? It's quite smooth. It's really smooth actually, and it feels quite soft as well, which is really nice. And yeah, maybe we should take this part, the little screen off. But maybe before we do that, actually, let's have a look at the underside of this as well. So the underside is where you will charge your watch itself. And then also, I assume that's kind of like the sensors. So when you put it on your wrist, it will sense your pulse, I guess, and also, you know, your step count. And I assume it's connected to your phone to track like the GPS and the location and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to use this. I can't wait. The bottom of it, I think it's plastic, actually. I'm not really sure what the bottom is made of, but I think it's made of plastic, which is interesting. But one thing I will say here is that apparently the straps, obviously, they're replaceable. You can see the little hinges here, and they're really easy. So you just kind of flick them off and they'll just pop off, and you can replace it with other kinds of straps. But yeah, that's really cool feature. And as you can see, the straps are really flexible. So yeah, this is probably the moment that everybody's been waiting for, and I know I have, is taking off the plastic from the screen. This is always the most satisfying part of any kind of unboxing, right? So let's go. Wow, look at that. Look how shiny that looks. I don't know if you guys can see that in the light or not, but I'm trying to move it around, but geez, that is nice. That is sexy. So one more thing I forgot to mention is it has a single button on the side, and I assume that you kind of control everything, so you can twist it. I'm assuming you can pull it out. No, you can't pull it out. So I think it's just push in, and I'm assuming you hold it. Yep, you hold it, and there we have it. Amazfit comes on. So it said to download the app. I actually can't download the app right now. I'm filming with my phone right now from the top, so that's a shame. What I can do though is maybe I'll do a little follow-up video after I've done that. I don't really know what else to say other than I'm really impressed. In fact, let me put it on my wrist for now. See how it looks. The rubber band feels really nice, actually. It feels quite supple as well. It doesn't eat into your skin, right? It's like, it's just light and it's soft and it feels actually really nice. This is the Amazfit GTS Smartwatch. As always, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot to me and appreciate any kind of support. So yeah, hope you enjoyed and take care, stay safe, peace.